mahirap kumita ng pera, Gab. And the other phrase is, kailangan mo magtipid. And that's it. So out of context, I came from a family of Filipino, Chinese with a bit of Spanish. We came from a poor family. So imagine, Gab, that's actually my first memory of money. Ngayon ko na lang kasi nalaman that I am really operating from a level of scarcity, not really in a level of abundance. So lalong na reinforce, mahirap kumita ng pera, and then, kailangan mong magtipid. I think I should have learned how to multiply. Kasi it was just earning, I was just saving, and that's it eh. I wish I had learned how to multiply. But I think what we're missing is teaching not only how to multiply it, but how to harness the power of compounding. Again, multiplication.